This morning on Today Wellness, working out while staying in. So if you're dragging your feet to the gym or the cold weather has put the fire out of your motivation, we have a solution. There are hundreds of at-home services and streaming options, so you don't even have to leave your living room. You can get in shape. Stephanie Mansour is a health and fitness expert on this. Hey, Steph, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, this is a great idea, but I think the first thing people wonder is, like, here's my living room. What stuff do I need if I'm going to try to turn this into a workout space?
Yes, so if you're trying to get into a workout routine and you want that space, I've got a few options here that you can purchase, under $15.
Yep.
Add workout equipment in, and you can totally change your workout.
So is this stuff inexpensive or expensive?
Yes, these things are under $15, except for this TB12 medicine ball. It's from Tom Brady. So I'm going to give this to Carson here.
Carson's got a band around his thighs.
Yes.
Okay.
So I know you have lower back issues. So what I'm trying to do here is activate your gluteus medius. So instead of just doing a basic boring squat, I'm going to have him step it up. So we're going to open the feet a little bit wider than the hips. Good. This is going to help him maintain proper squat alignment. So we're actually going to hold the ball in front a little. Yeah. Okay. Great. Abs in tight, like I'm punching you. Good. And then mini squat down, and then
like you're sitting
back up. Just a tiny.
Squeeze from the glutes.
Yes. Squeeze the glutes back here down, and then see this band is keeping you from opening your knees too far wide. So we're going to turn the toes in just a tiny bit more, and then we're going to repeat this, for 4 minutes.
I'm going to give Tom Brady some much needed love. Good.
So how does this feel?
It feels good.
Yeah, so you do this in your house while you're watching a television show?
Yes.
How many of those are you supposed to do?
So do 10 and then take a break and do 2 more repetitions. So this is a mini resistance band, a medicine ball.
It feels good.
We've got regular resistance band for your arms.
Keep on going.
Okay, great.
Are you done, Carson?
No, but these segments move so fast. Let's keep it moving.
All right, good. Nice form.
All right.
So Jenna has this P-Volve system. Now, this is super cool because if you're looking for an at-home workout system that also has videos to go with it, a little bit pricier than, the $15.
So what's the contraption she has on her hands first?
This is the P-Band. So this is very cool. It's proprietary equipment. Yes. So we're not using the wrists for this. What she's going to do is she's going to bend down, abs in tight.
Are my abs in tight?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I don't even see them. They're pulled in so far.
I haven't felt them.
Oh, wait, you put your leg out?
Yes.
Okay.
Side lunge, working the upper back.
Okay, so Jenna really loves to work out, and you know when something's working because you like a sweat.
Yes.
What is this thing doing for you? What you're pulling right now?
It hurts in multiple places.
Where's it working?
Leg, arm, abs, which I haven't felt since 2013.
So this works the really deep core muscles, and the whole premise is not to be sore. It's just to feel the burn and get the muscles firing correctly.
Okay, so this contraption that Jenna's got and all of this stuff, how much would this run?
It's $80 for the whole kit, and then you can purchase the streaming workout for the monthly fee of $22.
Do you sweat this way?
I'm sweaty.
But
I get like that just by talking.
Jenna does.
But she's not going to get out of breath like she would on the rower.
Okay, a lot of people love these classes. There's something called City Row that I know people like to go and get involved. But how do you do this at home? What are you talking about?
You purchase this piece of equipment, and you can also stream the classes on the City Row Go app. And this is super high intensity.
By the way, this is cool. I'm looking at the app right here.
Following along. I know Al loves doing this workout too. But this is something where I really want you to be mindful. If you are going to commit to something that's a larger item like this for your home, you want to try out a class first to make sure that you're going to use this every day.
Okay, so give me the price tag on this.
Yeah, this is just under $1,200. So it is an investment. Yes.
Okay.
Now, if you're looking for something a little bit less pricey.
Okay, but real quick, if you're going to do like one exercise, some people don't want to get into all the stuff. If you were going to choose one of these that you feel like would get you the most toned of what we've seen so far, what would you pick?
Toning, I would focus on P-Volve. If you're looking for, that's Jenna. If you're looking for strength and cardio, I would say City Row. And if you're looking for just one thing to spice up your workout, I would use those pieces of equipment Carson has.
Chanel Joe is
my home.
So all you need is a mat for this
All she needs is a mat.
And my flat screen TV at home.
Okay, so tell us why the flat screen works.
Downloadable and streaming workouts are huge. This is by Kate Hurley, and this is a relaxing yoga routine.
Where do I go? This way?
You can face the monitor. So you can literally stream this in your living room, and this comes in at about $10 a month. So there's tons of apps that you can go in your app store and find, what works best for you. But recovery is a huge trend this year.
Yes.
So you want to make sure you're adding in yoga and stretching into your everyday workouts.
Chanel, do you like a yoga or stretching
You know what? I need to do it more often.
I don't stretch
because I don't either, but I wish I was more flexible.
So, and this is simple, $10 and that's it?
Super simple, yes.
We can do this at home.
You guys, these are all inexpensive except for the rower. I mean, it's pretty cool.
And if you're looking for a free workout, I've got a free 21-day challenge at stepitupchallenge.com. That includes workout workout moves and confidence-boosting exercises, because the real point is you need to feel confident in your commitment to working out. So whatever piece of equipment you want, just make sure that you're committed and know you can do it.
Steph, thank you so much. To learn more about these options and many more, check out today.com/shop. We're back in a moment. Keep going, y'all. This
81.
is Today on NBC.
82.
That's right.
104.